This is long term. Feel like friends. Now see, now this is what them old people be tricking them off with them young girls in the club with. You see that?
What it do, people? This is Bamlet the Ghetto Man. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's an unboxing of some plata. Now give me a minute while I cut the box open, and we'll see the real silver. Precious metals. See this right here? God's money right here. Shout out to Robert Kiyosaki. Shout out to all the silver stackers out there. Shout out to Silver Dragons. Shout out to Silver Joker. Shout out to Yankee. Yankee stacking. Yankee silver stacking. Shout out to all the rest of the family out there that's preparing and preserving wealth with silver. God bless America, right? Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, this is heavy too. Yeah, this is heavy. This is real plata right here. See, I'm all in the stock market, people. I'm all in the stock market, so I'm just basically diversifying my portfolio. To me, this is long term. Whew. Thin like flint. Now see, now this is what them old people be tricking them off with them young girls in the club with. You see that? Ooh. Yeah, you see when you put that in your hand, it's 10 ounces right here. You see that? See that? That's weight. Silvertown. Silvertown piece. This is weight. BU. JM Bullion. JM Bullion. Yes, sir. JM Bullion. So now this is what I'll be doing in 2020. I try to tell people to set up something. You know, like I said, I'm heavily invested in the stock market. So I'm buying like piece by piece, like light right now. So what I'm doing is, right, I'm putting money into Uber. A lot of low companies that I feel is not super overvaluated. I'm putting money into Uber, and I'm putting money into gold and silver. It's a protection thing right now. It's just diversify on some precious metals. And silver is the lowest it can ever be in history. Get you some of this. Get you some of this. See, this is real plata. Real plata. Get you some of this. Save it for your kids. This real money. This God's money. This was here before fiat. Always remember that. Like, comment, and subscribe, people. Bamlet the Ghetto Man. Shout out to all the silver stackers out there.